Hey there, pal. It looks like you could use some help.
Oh, wow, thanks. Yeah, man, that'd be awesome. My car won't start, man. I think the battery's dead or something.
No problemo. I got the jumpers in the back. Let me just... come on.
What are those?
Oh, wrong cables. But, I mean, they're festive. They do got blinking lights on them, so...
Yeah, maybe I'll just, call the tow truck or something, yeah.
No, man, I got this. You know what? Let's try pushing the car. Yeah, we can do it. Come on. Okay, hear me out. Technically, it didn't move your car, so, progress.
You know what? I'll just be...
Hey, guys, everything good?
No, it's not.
Oh, we're good. We're handling it.
Oh, okay. Do you need a ride somewhere or...
Yeah, yeah, I guess I do.
No problem. Hop on in. Let's go.
Wait, at least take the Christmas lights. They blink.